Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, y'all, I be doing a sunset makeup tutorial. So as you can see, I'm applying my P. Louise base onto my eyelids, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Y'all, the P. Louise base is good for like if you want a good colorful, you know, it make all the colors pop, regardless if it's like a cheap palette, but it most definitely make the eyeshadow pop. And then you don't even have to set it. You can just blend it out and go right into the palette. So I'm gonna go right in with my Juvia's palette. I think this is the blush. Yeah, this is the blush palette, the Saharan blush palette. And then I'm gonna go in with the Top. Well, I don't know how to pronounce it, y'all, but y'all see me pointing to it. But I'm gonna go right in with that color, and then I'm just gonna pack it in and then blend it out. So now, y'all, I'm gonna go in with the other Juvia's palette, the Magic Mini by Juvia's, and then I'm gonna go in with the orange shade, like a burnt orange shade, and then I'm gonna do it the same way, y'all, but I'm gonna do it on the outer part first, and then blend it out again. You know, blend it all together. Yeah, I got my retainers in, so I can't really talk how I want to talk. So yeah, so I'm just blending that color in, y'all. And it's giving a vibrant orange, burnt orange. This orange is actually popping, like, you know. And it's very pigmented. Make sure y'all get y'all some Juvia's palettes, because they're really the best palettes for eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm using another brush, and I'm just gonna make sure everything is blending together. I'm using a brush that don't have any product on it, and it's just gonna help me make sure I blend everything together. Your eyeshadow should not have no mark of eyeshadow. It should be blended out like ombre. Yeah, it should look like an ombre, y'all. It should be ombre looking, like it shouldn't be no line of eyeshadow at all, period. So moving on to the cut crease, y'all. So basically you just stamping where your regular eyelid crease is. You can look up, you can do the look up method and make sure you blend, mean where your regular crease is. It's kind of hard to explain this, y'all. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like you have to literally just watch. But you basically just stamping where your crease is. Like you really shaping the crease of your eye, if that makes sense.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the
I'm gonna go back in with that same burnt orange color, and I'm just gonna blend it out on the edges.
And I'm out here with the 700 3i5s, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else to tell me what to do. That's why I'm mine, spend my life with you.
And then I'm gonna go in with this white eyeshadow color from the Glow Up Academy palette from Kiki Adams. And I'm just gonna make sure it's blended together. I know y'all see me going back and forth, but yeah, I'm just making sure everything is blended all together, y'all. So now I'm gonna go in with this yellow, and this is in the same palette, y'all. The Kiki Adams palette, y'all. Her colors is fire, first of all. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in and just blend it out, and then I'm gonna go back in with the orange and blend it out. Then I'm gonna go back in with the white and blend it out. Yeah, just make sure you go back and forth and make sure it's giving ombre.
Everything about you, your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe your love is more than a million. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Then dip me underway. Fill my flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby,
So I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild eyeliner. Yeah, I didn't do a wing this time, but yeah, I didn't make this video long because on the next slide is gonna show that my face is already done. I didn't want to make this video long, yeah, because of my storage. So this is kind of short. But like I said, yeah, I did the rest of my face off camera. And then right now I'm just making sure I put some eyeshadow at the bottom. I went in with the yellow, and then I went in with the orange, and then I added some glitter, y'all. So for my lips, I'm going in with this dark brown pencil, and I'm basically gonna outline my lips, and then I'm gonna go in with either my fortune cookie. I can't remember that. I think it was my fortune cookie, NYX fortune cookie, or the NYX Madeline. Y'all see my face beat, period. Y'all, this is the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I can't wait to drop another video. Make sure y'all subscribe to me, and I'll see y'all in the next one.